Some of you guys might know that I have been working with Artist Magazine for over a year now on the Creativity Challenge column. The latest article is Mighty Minis, about doing these little bite-sized exercises. And hand in hand with the article, I created a mini workshop, Mighty Miniatures. And what's really, really cool about the workshop, it's about working small. I really honestly think that this is one of the best things that you can do for yourself as a painter, to work small and to do it consistently. You don't need hours and hours and hours to do stuff. So you've seen some of these. First of all, they're just beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm not like bragging, but you know what? They are just that black and white. And these are just done with cheap toned sketch paper, a couple of markers, a Sharpie, and some gouache. Some of them I just do with a pilot pen, a mechanical pencil, and a gel pen. Wherever I go, I have those things with me. And so I do these guys with them just all the darn time. Look at how tiny, 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 but they are ideas. These are mostly from my imagination. Sometimes I look at a photo, but I have all these ideas of how to put a composition together. And when I am engaging like this all the time, the leap to the easel is so much easier. And then in the workshop, we do these color studies. These are fabulous because if you have these plus these, you have like a bazillion paintings, because you get your color idea, get your color palette, and then just assign these shapes, these color ideas. You are like off and running. The possibilities are crazy endless. And then we move to these little baby acrylic paintings. You could just do little miniatures, not necessarily in acrylic. If you don't have acrylic, you could try it. What I love about doing these little things, first of all, look at how fun they are. Like little art trading cards. You could give these to your friends. It'd be absolutely amazing gifts. They don't take that long to do. I have so much excitement around painting different subject matter, and I can't do it all. And working small like this, I can kind of get it out of my system. And then if it turns out really great, then I can go out and take it into a different media and do it larger. But I don't have to commit to this big canvas. I can just start here. And then we finish up with one of my go-to favorite things to do is copy masterworks, and did it in watercolor. You could also do these in pastel if you didn't want to try the watercolor. But I like the watercolor because you get to tile them up on this and it's not messy, and you can do it tabletop. This is not about copying the masters stroke by stroke or anything like that. It's really about seeing how they approached composition and how they got atmosphere and light. And I think it's a really joyful way to keep creative because you don't have anything on the line. You're not going to sell these. It's just a way of like really deeply engaging with art with no attachment. So that's the workshop, and I hope you go to the website and check it out. It's super, super fun.